Thank you, Ann. Good morning to you again. Hopefully you had a great weekend. Have a couple words of wisdom for you on this Monday morning. Vice Admiral Antonia Novello was the very first woman Surgeon General of our United States. And also she was the first Hispanic person to fill that post. Once she asked what the American dream meant to her. She answered by saying that she always tells young people 4 things. So let's listen carefully to her advice. Number 1, if you do not know where you're going, you're already there. Number 2, the world owes you nothing. Number 3, take a stand and believe in something. And number 4, service to others is the rent you pay for living. So if you're seeking the American dream, you might want to remember the words of Antonia Novello. Set goals, work hard, take a stand for what you believe in, and then look for ways to serve others. That sounds awfully similar to a lot of the things we talk about here as a school with responsibility, service, respect, and integrity. So if you do those 4 things that she mentioned, you'll be well on your way to a happy and successful life. A couple quick announcements for you on this Monday morning. Hopefully everyone is okay. We had a very wet, very rainy weekend, a lot of rain, and I know some people were dealing with some damages to homes and property, so hopefully everything is okay with you and your family. Tomorrow, just a quick reminder, tomorrow is September 11th. At 1 p.m. tomorrow, we will be holding a short remembrance ceremony tomorrow just to commemorate the date of September 11th. So teachers, please mark your schedules for that. That'll be 1 p.m. Tuesday afternoon. Also, just a quick reminder that we will be doing a severe weather drill this week at some point in time. That is part of our beginning of the school year practice for all of our drills and emergency practices. So just be ready for that. It is timely because we know some of the situations, if you're paying attention to the weather nationwide, it looks like there may be a hurricane or a large storm. It may not be hurricane status that is going to hit the Carolinas potentially later on this week. So we do have some periods of very severe weather, as this weekend reminded us. So we are going to be practicing that drill to be sure we know what to do in case we have a tornado or a severe thunderstorm here in our area. So please be ready for that. That also brings me to a reminder to all of our student drivers. Please be very careful. Please be very mindful when you're driving. If you have wet weather or difficult conditions, be sure you build in some extra time to get here to school. So we want you to be safe in arriving to school. And lastly, students, get involved. I want you to be sure that you're paying attention to some messages about our clubs and organizations that are formed. Be active and be involved in something here at school. It'll make your school experience so much richer and so much better. And on that note, just a reminder, we do have a pep rally Friday afternoon. It's our fall pep rally where we recognize students that are involved in school organizations and athletics here. So it is also a fun time where we have a little competition with the spirit amongst our classes. So I've already heard from the seniors and their plans. I need to hear from the sophomores and from the juniors. And actually, we have a quick note from our freshmen coming up here at the very end of the announcements. Let's see, so that's all I have for you. Remember, make it a great day or not, that choice is always yours. And here's the rest of your announcements.
Good morning, Ryle. I'm Zamaya.
I'm Andrew.
And before we start today, Andrew actually has a riddle for us. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay.
Okay, Zamaya. What has to be broken before you can use it?
I don't know.
An egg.
Oh, wow, that was a good one.
Yep, it was a good one.
Belle Marie College will be visiting Ryle on the afternoon of 9/11. If you are interested in learning more about Belle Marie, please email Miss Dorgan or stop by her office before 2:25 on September 10th to reserve a spot. Thank you. The first NHS meeting will be Monday, September 10th. All returning members are required to attend. Students that have applied to be members this year should not attend. Science National Honor Society is now accepting applications for memberships for the 2018-2019 school year. See Ms. Purdy, an SNHS officer, or your science teacher for an application. Applications must be turned in to Ms. Purdy by Wednesday, September 12th. Student Council will be holding their first meeting Wednesday, September 12th in the library after school. Come for ice cream and other snacks and to talk about upcoming events. Membership fee is $5. Everyone is welcome. Any student taking the October ACT that would want some assistance on improving their score, see Ms. Levins or Ms. Caudell for the ACT prep information. The next MHS meeting will be in room 211 on September 11th at 2:30. Don't forget your dues.
Interested in the medical field or science? Join HOSA. Come to our first meeting in room 232 on Tuesday, September 18th. If you can't come to the meeting, stop by room 232 for a form or see an officer. Attention, Inner Alliance Club. There will be a mandatory officer and returning member meeting on Tuesday after school in Evans room 124 until 3:40. This meeting is for officers and returning members only. Thank you. If you are interested in visiting with the Bellarmine representative on September 11th at 1:45 in Mrs. Schwartz's room, please stop by guidance to register with Mrs. Miller and receive a ticket. You will not be permitted to attend without a ticket. Thank you. UK will be hosting its Northern Kentucky UK and U event on Monday, September 17th. The event will take place at 7 p.m. at the Northern Kentucky Convention Center. It will feature an admissions presentation, and students will have the opportunity to meet with UK's academic colleges and student services units. For additional information, including registration, go to the Ryle Guidance website. Seniors, looking for scholarships? Not sure where to start? Come to Dan Biesig's workshop, Show Me the Money, on Thursday, September 20th in the Ryle Auditorium at 7 p.m. Mr. Biesig will help you and your parents learn where to find the money and what you must do to position yourself for future scholarship dollars to help you pay for college. Raider Alliance will be meeting this Wednesday, September 12th at 2:45 p.m. in Ms. Dorgan's office located in the Media Center. Raider Alliance is a student-led organization that focuses on mental health awareness and suicide prevention. If you are interested, please stop by. Thank you. And stay tuned for some more announcements.
Hi, I'm Summer.
Hi, I'm Dahlia.
And all freshmen, please come if possible to the informational pep rally meeting.
Tomorrow, September 11th, right after school for about 20 to 30 minute meeting.
Thank you.
In room 204.
Have a nice day, Ryle.
See you, Ryle.